Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are discussing for 10 machine learning free courses in Udemy. The first course is what is machine learning? An overview of supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning with Python demos. This course only 2 hours and demanding video, and you will learn to this course overview of supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Let's check it out the introduction video.
Hello, and welcome to the course, What is Machine Learning? There are 3 broad areas of machine learning. The first is supervised learning. Informally, this involves learning a function that fits the data, then using it for prediction. Applications include predicting house prices, spam filtering, image classification, and language translation. As an example, let's consider house price prediction using linear regression. So the plot shows house prices, the blue dots. Each dot represents a house, and the x-axis is the house area, and the y-axis is the house price. The red line is the initial guess for a straight line that fits the data, and this movie shows that we start with that initial guess and then get better and better guesses predicted by the linear regression algorithm. Ultimately, when this is completed, when a new house comes in, if we know
the next course is data science, machine learning, data analysis, Python and R. Free course on data science, machine learning, data analysis, and data visualizations using Python and R programming. This course 8 hours and 7-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course what is data science and artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning, and data analysis using Python and R, data visualization using Python and R, and data loading using Python and R. Okay, let's check out the introduction video.
This is Srinivas Reddy. In this course that we are going to discuss about how to do the analysis by using some libraries like NumPy and Pandas. This NumPy and Pandas plays the main role for doing the analysis. And also these libraries are going to use to do the process and to clean the data also. Yes. So before starting the analysis, first we have to start the processing on the data, which comes under data preparation. Okay, first we have to start the process and then we have to start the cleaning on the data, then only it is possible to do the analysis. Okay, first. Let us observe here, as an analyst, first we have to understand the data, how the data is, and then we have to start the analysis, right? So we are going to use NumPy and Pandas here for doing the analysis. Why? Because this NumPy and Pandas plays the main role for doing the analysis and to do some manipulations on the data, that will work on the data structures. Right? So let us observe here we are having 18 to 20 sessions a day to work with this data analysis part.
The next course is Python crash course for data science and machine learning. Learn the Python fundamental from scratch and kick off your practical data science learning path. This course only 1 hour and 39-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course Python syntax for developing data science projects, and using Jupyter Lab for Jupyter notebooks and variables and data types, the list and dictionaries, if and for loop statement and functions, classes, object attributes and methods. The last one is libraries for data science project. Let's check out the introduction video.
Part of the training, we will need to run a Python code in a Python environment. As you will see in the next lecture, the most popular way to create a data science project is by using something that is called Jupyter Notebooks. So our first step is to make sure you have a local Python environment on your computer together with the needed data science libraries. There are also online web tools for running Python, but I recommend to have your local installation. The good news is that it is an easy process. We'll do it by using the popular Anaconda package manager. Anaconda is an open source distribution package for Python that already includes multiple data science tools, including a tool called Jupyter Lab. It is coming together as a package with everything that is needed to develop projects. So let's go ahead and perform the installation of the Anaconda.
Okay, the next course is Machine Learning with Python. Machine Learning with Python, Supervised, Unsupervised and Registration Learning. This course only 1 hour and 40-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course supervised learning and unsupervised learning, regression learning and SVM. Okay, let's check out the introduction video.
Morning everyone. Okay, welcome everyone folks. So in this machine learning concept, we are going to use the machine learning concepts using Python. So we will be first learning about what is the machine learning is, and then we will be learning how basically the machine learning works, how it is useful in our society and so on, and then we will be learning about some features of machine learning, and then the most and vast topic of the lecture will be the classification of machine learning, which includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. We will be explaining each and everything, and we will be understanding one by one. So later we will be learning some of the applications of machine learning and life cycle of machine learning. Okay, and then we will be learning how supervised and unsupervised.
Okay, the next course is Artificial and Machine Learning for anybody, everybody and all. Teach a machine to learn to recognize image, audio and poses. This course only 2 hours and demanding video, and you will learn to this course. Students will be excited about how machine learning work. Will they work on project like image and sound and pose, and students will learn to host their machine learning model for free and program a machine learning model without writing a single line of code, and students will learn to generate real TensorFlow format of their model to be used in website, app, etc. And bonus course build a rule based chatbot Python coding, and bonus course build a conversational chatbot with chatbot crops Python coding. Okay, let's check out the introduction video. Okay, the next course is 15 must know concept algorithm in machine learning. Introduction to 15 must know topic of machine learning, data science and data science, understand machine learning syllabus. This course only 1 hour's demanding video, and you will learn to this course combine 15 modules and techniques, algorithms of machine learning. Introduction to must know concepts in machine learning, which will help you to prepare for interview, and you will get an idea of complete syllabus in machine learning and learn how to learn machine learning, improve or refresh knowledge in machine learning. Let's check out the introduction video.
Hello and welcome to the introductory course on machine learning. In this course, I'm going to give you introduction about 50 must-know topics in machine learning, which includes algorithms, techniques, packages and modules. Remember, It is not a complete machine learning course. It is just an introduction.
Okay, the next course is getting started with the machine learning. Machine learning for dummies. This course only 40-minute demanding video, and you will enter this course machine learning implementation and its basic concepts. Let's check out the introduction video.
Hello everyone, I'm Naranja and I'm your instructor in this beginner level machine learning course of Udemy. In this whole course we are going to learn what is a machine learning and what is its impacts on industries and how it's important for us. What are the types of machine learning like supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. We will also learn what is the basic introduction of the neural network. I'm also going to teach you how can you implement all these to solve your real-time problems with the scikit-learn Python. So if you are new with the machine learning and you want to get started without complex mathematics, then this course is especially for you guys. After the end of the course, you will get a certificate of completion that you can use for your showcase on your resume. Hope you enjoy this course. Have a great day.
Okay, the next course is Learn Python with Google Collab. A step to machine learning. Hands-on course in Python Basic with Google Collab. A step towards machine learning. This course only 1 hour and 41-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course basic of Python and data type and printing output and if else condition and looping using for wheel arithmetic operation, working with the functions, working with the list and arrays and performing action on list and tuple set and dictionary, and work with the package, and last one hands-on the class. Let's check it out the introduction video.
Hello, I bring a new course for you where you can learn basic Python concept in a small span of time. Lectures are totally practical based and has exposure of Python 3 plus Jupyter Notebook in Google Collab. You would be aware about Google Collab. If not, then don't worry. While you learn Python in this course, I am very confident that you will have a glance of Google Collab too. Google Collab is a platform provided by Google for researchers who want to develop and practice machine learning algorithms. Collab is also enriched with very high configuration machines with CPU and GPUs enabled, which is helpful in performing complex machine learning tasks in few minutes. Now, you would be confused that why I am talking all this. So let me clear this confusion. As I said earlier that I bring a basic Python course for you, but what if I say that this course is a part of my upcoming.
Okay, the next course is Python AI and machine learning for production and development. Learn AI and ML using demos. This course only 1 hour and 43-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course developing, deploying AI and machine learning application use Python AI and ML framework, and how to use most popular AI and ML framework NumPy, 6P, and scikit-learn, Matpredictable. How to use Jupyter IPython and how to use a Jupyter IPython notebook for a interactive development. How to create a multi-user notebook environment using Jupyter Hub. Let's check out the introduction video.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you overview about this Python AI and machine learning suite for production and development, what this is, what this course will cover, and how to use this to learn Python based AI and machine learning. Okay, so folks, before we start, there are multiple ways you can learn a new technology. One is proactively, wherein you need to, you can get some book or some tutorials and do it yourself right from the scratch. The other way is you can go to some training instructor based or virtual training and follow it and learn it that way. Each one has its pros and cons. If you are doing it on your own, then sometimes you get stuck. There are setups you need to install and whatnot, and you spend a lot of time in unnecessary activities.
Okay, the next course is, this is the last course in the video, learn machine learning algorithm software deep learning. Course covering deep learning natural, course covering deep learning neural network KDD and AI and BIANN and decision tree and Bayesian network, TensorFlow and NIM. This course only 1 hour on demand video, and you will learn to this course understand machine learning concepts. Let's check out the introduction video.
Hello, I am Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on Big Data and Hadoop, module Machine Learning, section Introduction. As the picture says, in future, man and machine are going to interact more and more. Artificial intelligence and machine intelligence or machine learning is going to replace some of the human intelligence functions. Machine learning is learning secrets that are stored, that are hidden inside the data using statistical techniques. ML evolved from the study of pattern recognition, hidden secrets, and computational learning theory in artificial intelligence. It explores the study and construction of algorithms, formulas that can learn from and make predictions on data through building a model from simple input. This session is about machine learning algorithms. Grasp the major concepts, and you may revisit this session after some sessions. Machine learning finds place where designing and programming explicit algorithms is difficult or infeasible.
Okay, that's all. I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.